Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the new and exciting reviews we have coming up. Today, I am so excited to talk to you about a game-changing product that has made such a difference in my kitchen. Introducing the 50/100 PCS Air Fryer Disposable Paper Square Round Baking Paper Barbecue Plate Non-Stick Matte Kitchen Oven Oil Absorbing Paper Tool. Now, I know that's quite a mouthful, but let me tell you, this product is a game changer. Are you tired of dealing with greasy, sticky messes in your air fryer or oven? Do you find yourself spending countless hours scrubbing and cleaning after every use? Well, with these non-stick, oil-absorbing paper tools, those days are over. Simply place one of these papers in your air fryer or on your baking tray, and it will absorb all the excess oil, leaving your food perfectly crisp and your appliance virtually mess-free. Not only that, but these papers are also disposable, making cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing and scraping, simply toss the paper away and you're done. Plus, they come in both square and round shapes, making them versatile and suitable for any cooking vessel. I can't recommend these papers enough, and I know you're going to love them just as much as I do. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level and say goodbye to messy clean UPS, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the 50/100 PCS Air Fryer Disposable Paper Square Round Baking Paper Barbecue Plate Non-Stick Matte Kitchen Oven Oil Absorbing Paper Tool. Trust me, this is one purchase you won't regret. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link to get your own set of these incredible papers. Happy cooking!